Hello friends, we're here with another video. This video will be added to a new playlist, and in this video, we want to show you how to install Node-RED software on an Android system and run it in a PC browser. This process is very simple, and within a few minutes, we will use this software for programming and creating a UI for excellent user experience. I must also mention that it has an excellent library that is being updated daily. Additionally, this software is completely open source, and we plan to use it in our projects in this channel. Let's get started. When we enter the Node-RED website and go to the first page, if we scroll down, it lists the devices on which we can install the Node-RED software. Go to Google Play and install the Termux app. I have previously installed this app. Open the Node-RED website on a mobile browser. Select the Android section, and the open page precisely explains the installation process on Android systems. Our task is simply installing an app called Termux, and then copying and pasting the codes shown on this page. Copy each line of code from this brown box, and paste it into Termux one by one. After completing the Node-RED installation steps, the Node-RED software starts working by typing the command Node-RED. After running the program, you can access Node-RED on your phone's browser by typing localhost. However, using it on a phone might not be as convenient due to the challenges of working on a small screen. Therefore, we aim to run Node-RED on the phone and use a laptop's browser. To accomplish this task, we need a local network for the phone and PC to communicate. This can be achieved through two methods. The first method involves turning on the mobile hotspot and connecting the PC to the phone. The second method is to use a modem for connecting the phone and the PC. I used this method in the video, and you can also try the first approach yourself. After running Node-RED on the phone, you can enter the PC's browser and simply type the IP address and port where the software is active. That's it. By accessing this page, you have full access to all the features of the software running on the phone, and you can utilize them. I want to download and install a commonly used node named Dashboard, which provides an output for users. We will use this node in our projects. We select Manage Palette from the top menu. Go to the Palette section, and in the Install tab, type the word Dashboard. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, then find and install the option you see. Now you can see that the nodes related to the dashboard are installed. This video concludes here, and in future videos, we will continue working with Node-RED.